Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last week and how the price of silver can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what we have seen, silver is continuously trading upside since 3 weeks. As you can see looking at this particular chart, 3 weeks. Okay, if you look at this previous years, what you have seen, there was a continuous downfall and then a swing form, that is where it goes upside. Silver mostly travel in a zone. As soon as zone breakout happens, that is where we have seen a downfall or an upside. Okay, if we see after pandemic, what you have seen, there was a continuous rise in most of the commodities and then silver was in a zone. As soon as it breaks, a fall we have seen. After that, a swing form, that is where it goes upside, and now it is trading at a level of $25.479. Understand something, there is a clear pattern showing that there is a higher chances that it can go further upside, and as soon as it started sustaining above this level, it will cross a level of around $26, and chances are higher that we can see it will cross above a level of $26.689, and from there a further upside movement we can see in the price of silver. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of silver can go in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full videos to understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I've given in the description, you can join that too. See, whenever there is event occurred, probability of sustaining, that means probability the trend is upside, is mostly try to follow the trend. This is what we have seen. Okay, now suppose if the price sustain this level, chances are very high it will go towards its next resistance at a level of $25.983. Okay, and if the price sustain above that particular level, it will cross a level of around $26.128. okay, $26.128 is already being tested here, so chances are high it will go further upside, and yes, a probability of going towards a level of 26.952 is there. Okay, again I repeat, if the price sustain this level, chances are very high it will move further upside towards a level of 25.938, and from there it will cross a level of around 26.128. 26.128 is already being tested, so chances are high it will cross that level and it will go towards 26.953. okay, and this is the half that zone, so chances are very high it will cross that level and it will go towards a level of $27.349. keep that in mind. There is a higher chances that as soon as started sustaining above $27, there is a probability of going further upside, because there will be a zone breakout happening. Okay, as we have seen, the gold is also going upside, okay, as well as silver. Okay, and as soon as it started going above a level of 26, and this level we have not seen since March of 2022, that is around 6-7 months, so chances are high it will cross that level going towards a level of 27 also, and if that also sustain, we can see it can touch a level of 28 also. Okay, and higher chances are there. So if the price sustain above 27, I'll make another video explaining you where it can go. Trend is upside, okay, till the time it is sustaining above a level of $25. okay, above a level of 25, we will see the trend is upside, because there is a strong support at this level, so a bounce back can come from this. If it moves below that level, then we can see it will go further down. Okay, now understand, see, market is always uncertain. Okay, market is uncertain, so you have to understand that if the price didn't sustain, because you have to always remember to set your SL, it will save your capital. That is the first thing that you have to do, and always try to trail your SL, it will save your profit. These two things you have to do. Okay, so what will happen if you are trailing your SL, your profit can be saved, you can sustain for a longer view. Okay, but if you are putting your SL, then you will save your capital, and then there will be more chances of getting a profitable trade. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down towards its next support at a level of $25.3237. okay, because there is a clear pattern forming. As you can see, as soon as this pattern has break, we have seen an upside movement in the price of silver. Okay, so once it started going below this level, the next support is $25.237, and from there a level of around $24.962. okay, and once the price started falling below 24.962, probability of going towards 24.332 is there. Oh, and if that level move further down, then we can see it will go towards a level of around $23.804. okay, now if the price fall below $23.804, it will go further down, and yes, a probability of going below a level of 23.284 is there. and from there a further fall we can see towards a level of 22.783. okay, again I repeat, suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, we will see it will move further down towards a level of 25.283 and then to a level of $25. If the price started falling below that level, a further downfall we can see towards a level of 24.510, and from there we can see it will go towards a level of around $24.199. okay, and if the price started falling below that particular level, chances of going towards a level of 23.761 will be there, and from there a level of around 23.631. so once the price started falling with 23.631, a further downfall we can see, and yes, a probability of going towards 22.825, and from there a further fall we can see towards a level of 22.249. okay, now once the price started moving below that level, then there is a clear pattern forming, so showing it can go below a level of $22. okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me or given the mail ID is also in the description. There is a clear pattern forming. If the price fall below $22, a further fall we can see. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me or given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.